Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Get ready to potentially be disappointed. A lot of people were excited for this collab with Liquid Death, but based on the pictures, it looks like you're pouring a water-like substance into these smaller containers, and I don't believe there's like resin or a typical Miniverse element. So before we judge too harshly, let's open this up and look at the checklist to see what actually is going on. We do have all branded packaging, as you can see. Oh, the table is very cool. I love that. Mine looks like it's scuffed at the top or smeared, but the table itself, super cool. We also have a case, a variety pack of Liquid Death. Again, super cute. Let's put our stand on the table. We have a few packages that I'll open here in a second. Oh, just kind of ripped that one. We also have, it says Murder Your Thirst, the slaughter bottle, it says. Pint of No Return. And then we have the checklist / instructions. Take a peek at that real quick. I'm about to say, probably just says don't eat it, and basically that's what it says. Just reminding people this isn't actual food or drinks. And then we have, yeah, semi-disappointing instructions. So you just pour it in there. There's no curing. So it's just, maybe it just is water or a water-like substance. You fill them, put the caps on them, and that's it. Looks like maybe there's a label to put on the one. So yeah, that is kind of disappointing. I don't really think that that's too exciting. What do you guys think? Here's the back. I mean, the bottles are definitely cool if you're a Liquid Death fan to use for your display or your collection. But as far as like building it, making it, you're not really doing much. Let's open these packages. You did get a gold skull that goes on top of here for your display case. A funnel to help pour that water-like substance. Oh. It's in interesting containers. Okay. Well, that's kind of nice. That way you could squeeze every little ounce out of it. It's not like those plastic bottles. And definitely not water. Kind of like a gel, but not jelly substance. It's just a little thicker, it looks like. That is very interesting. I am so curious to see what you guys think. I hate to even open this. This is so cute. Let's see if I could gently... Yeah, it's got that stick, or I could probably re-stick it down. But there's not like a cute way to open this, it doesn't look like. Oh man. Yeah, that kind of stinks. You have to destroy the box in order to open it. Unless I'm an idiot. I mean, that's definitely possible. But it doesn't look like it. It looks like it's the only option is to do it from the side. Okay, well, let's get the bottles out and then we'll try to re-stick it down. Purple and green. Oh, that's not a good sign. The labels are stuck together. There we go. Okay, we'll do a closer look at those in just a second. Let me get the other ones out. And then we will fold that in, fold that down. Definitely looks damaged on the side, but you could glue that back down if you wanted. And just leave it like that. Probably would help if you stuffed it with something just to give it a little bit more stability. So we have black, white, green, and purple. I know we've had one of these before. but I don't remember which one. I'm sure I opted for some kind of flavored one. But that's what they look like. And then you should be able to twist these off. I think it shows. Do you twist or do you pull? Feels like the sticker goes up a little bit too high. I had to stick this under there to pop it off. So you can't see through it in any way, shape, or form. So if you don't fill them, no one's ever gonna know. And I guess just for sake of not being messy, you can just not fill it. Let's take a look at this. We have kind of flask-like container. Again, can't see through it, so no one would know if it's filled or not filled. I feel like you would only be buying this if you're like a super fan and just wanted miniature versions of it. It's an interesting choice for a collab, I think. And then we have this. What is this for? It didn't even have a lid. That's weird, right? Oh, there is printing on it. It's see-through, but it has a really light gold. I don't even know if you can tell on camera. You can see a little bit right there. I stick that in there, can you see it? Yeah, there you go. Interesting. I just had to double check online. So the price point for this is $12.99. I think it's a little expensive, but I guess it is a collab, so that's why. I'll go ahead and demo pouring it. The website does say it's not water, it's a water-like substance. I'll leave one of these sealed. We'll just do one for demonstration purposes. Again, not too exciting, but that's why I like reviewing these things, so you can decide if you want to spend your money on it. Because sometimes stuff looks a little deceiving online. Just like with the Pack My Pantry. I thought that looked way more interesting, and then I opened it and I'm like, it came with 3 things. Like for $11.99, like that's wild in my opinion, but let's see. Yep, so I put some liquid in there. Literally, that's all there is to it. It looks like gel, watery gel. Let's touch it. It's got like an oil base to it. It feels a little oily. Okay, so step 1, it says to fill all those. This packet probably would fill like 2.5 probably. And then it shows taking one of these, it looks like, and pouring it into this one. Why? I don't know. You need to take a flask with you and you don't want to drink out of a can. Again, I've only had Liquid Death like a time or two, so maybe if there's a diehard Liquid Death fan, you could explain this to me if it makes more sense somehow. Definitely open to comments. So let's see. Yep, that's filled up, and then it shows opening up again another one of those cans and then filling this up. It's just very bizarre in my opinion. I thought it would for sure be resin, so you could at least cure it, but again, I guess that's kind of pointless because first of all, it's clear, and second of all, you're not going to be able to see it. So let's do this because that's what they show. Taking my drink to go, my drink that doesn't have a lid. Weird. See, with this one they could have at least like, I don't know, you could put some ice in it, some resin and cure it. That's why it's like a Liquid Death glass. But no, didn't do that. And you're not even I don't think gonna be able to see the printing on it when you fill it up because it's so light. Yeah, no, unless you're really staring at it, you really can't see that label. So that's literally it. What do you guys think? Again, unless you were like a die-hard Liquid Death fan, don't really think this is worth it. If you're just a random collector of minis, not probably worth it. But honestly, if they did like a Diet Coke collab or something, I would collect it. Even if there wasn't like a resin component to it, just because I'm a die-hard Diet Coke fan. So it's just what you're into, I guess. But that is everything that came in the limited edition Liquid Death capsule for $12.99. If you're interested, I'll link it below where you can get it. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.